Hello guys, welcome to the Code the Dream YouTube channel. So today what we are going to see is what is the use of IntelliJ IDEA and why it is different from other Java framework. Yeah, without wasting time, we will deep dive into the IntelliJ IDEA framework. So it's a super smart code assistant. The first point which is I am going to highlight is it's a super smart code assistant. Why? You may ask. Just you can go to the any opening IntelliJ IDEA with Ultimate Edition. Note this guys with Ultimate Edition. So in Ultimate Edition, auto-complete code feature. For example, if you try something like a control, you can say that thing auto-complete. Just you need to type only this camel case of the method name or function name, anything, so that it automatically will pop it out. Okay, and this was the first best best point in the IntelliJ IDEA framework. And coming to the next is it will enhance your development coding speed and enhancement of your functionality by 10x. Like for example, if you go and check some method means, like for example, some method if you type like this was the property. If you type and you can easily refactor it by upcoming session, we can able to delegate as interface, superclass, everything you can easily do. That is what I'm trying to say. And the next thing is built-in feature and it will save your time. The feature is it will be on built-in feature, like what it means by that, like it will have a inbuilt Git repository features as well. Okay, you can while for example, if you create any project means you can directly place from the create directly you can attach it to your Git repository by clicking this. By adding your Git repository, you can like directly you can, so that if someone can do that participate in your code, they can do. Okay, and coming to the third point, it's next level of code gen. Yes, this is the very important guys. See here, you can type any prompt also. Control by typing this, create logic. That's it, guys. By typing some prompt itself, it will generate. This is the next advantage of this one, and like that is the next level. The debugging is a good, like here, and it's also we can put multiple breakpoints here. Okay, that will be the second highlights of this one. 1 minute, guys. Okay, and the third, fifth point is it support multiple framework. Wait a minute. Not this one. Mm, yeah, plugins, multiple plugins we can easily add it. Like AWS plugin or anything you can easily add it. That's what. And next, and the UI UX is user friendly. For example, AWS you can install Spark, Amazon Q, Kafka, everything you can able to easily install and you can reuse it. And if you whenever you need, you can install or you can uninstall. This is the next advantage of the Ultima edition. Okay, guys. So we will check the next session on the upcoming videos.